beauties, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I hope you guys are all doing well and enjoying the spring. I hope all is well with you and your loved ones. I just hope that everything is okay with you guys. As for me, I am doing well, thank you very much. I am super excited because I went on a makeup splurge. I don't know if I should call it a splurge, but I bought a lot of palettes, you guys, and I've challenged myself. I said to myself, Shaunz, you're not going to buy makeup for at least 6 months. So I kept my words, you guys. I kept my words and I did not buy any makeup at all for 6 months, well, almost 6 months. And I'm really proud of myself because I am such a makeup junkie. Anything that comes out, any new palette or a lipstick or whatever that comes out, I try to copy it. And I said to myself, you cannot do that because you're going to leave yourself very pauperized. So I challenged myself and I'm very proud because I have not bought any makeup. As you guys may have noticed, I have not done any hauls on makeup or anything like that. But your girl went shopping, honey. I went on Beauty Bay because that's where I get a lot of my beauty essentials, and I love shopping on Beauty Bay because it's so convenient. You can sit in your bed or on your settee, anywhere you want with a cup of tea or a drink, and shop till you drop. So I love Beauty Bay because they're, you know, the service is great. They've got a wide variety of makeup, so I always shop at Beauty Bay. Now, you guys, I picked up a few palettes that I want to share with you, and I haven't, as you can see, I'm going to be pulling them out of the wrapper. I haven't tried any of them yet, but I'm super excited. So come along, let me show you what I've picked up. Alright guys, so in no particular order, I'm just going to be showing you what I pick up first. There is no order to this. I'm just going to go ahead and show you what I got. And as I said, I picked up a few palettes, so I'm super excited because you guys know that once I pick up palettes, I'll be showing you, a few looks, 1 or 2 looks here and there, and then I'll tell you how I feel about the palette. So what I'm going to do, just to make this video not too long, I'm going to show you the palettes, I'm going to show you inside the palette, and then in another video, I'll be doing like, review and a demo and all that good stuff. So the first palette I'm going to pick up here is the Coastal Scents Reveal 3D. And you know how I got this palette, you guys? Funny story, I was browsing on Instagram, as you do, and I saw Coastal Scents advertising this palette, and they said that all you have to do is pay the shipping fee. So basically you get this palette for free. All you have to do is pay wherever you live. They will, they calculate the shipping fee that way. But I shipped mine to the UK, so I paid about £2 or £3, and oh my goodness, guys, this palette came to me for free. So I have not opened it yet. So I just want to quickly open it so I can show you guys what the inside looks like. And then, of course, I'll be doing a demo / review on this palette. Have you guys bought this palette? Did you somehow manage to get this palette on this deal? If you didn't, you're missing out, man. I don't know what to tell you. If you didn't get this palette on such a deal, you've missed out because you got the palette basically for free. So this is what the palette looks like. It's called the Reveal 3D, and it's sort of like a neutrals palette. So if you love neutral colors, then I think this would be ideal for you. So basically it's a cardboard packaging like that, and when you open it, it does not have a mirror. The plastic fell off. It doesn't have a mirror. It looks like this. So it's a lot of cool tones as well as you have a few warm tones. So that's what the palette looks like, and this is the Coastal Scents Reveal 3D palette, and you get 20 eyeshadows in this palette. So if this is your type of palette, why not go ahead and check it out? But as I said, I'm going to do a separate video swatching these shades and telling you my thoughts. So that's the first palette I picked up, you guys. And the second palette I picked up is from Carity. I've used Carity before. I think I used one of their what's it called? I think it's called their Bolds palette or something, but it was basically lots of bold colors. And this one I saw also on Beauty Bay. By the way, I just got this from Coastal Scents. This one I picked up on Beauty Bay, and oh my goodness, you guys, the packaging is so smooth. It's like faux suede. It's absolutely beautiful, the packaging, and that's what it looks like. And it says their Carity Posh palette, and again, this is sort of a cool tone, I'd say. It has a big mirror as well, and these are the shades. So this is pretty much a warm / cool palette, I'd say. So as I said, a swatch will be coming up on this palette and also a makeup look or two. So yeah, this is the Carity Posh palette and I'm excited to try that as well. What do we have next? Next we have my girl Tammy. Oh my goodness, Tammy for Revolution. You guys, I bought her first palette and I absolutely loved it. I did a review and a swatch on it. I will try and link it somewhere so you guys can see it. But I love Tammy. She's been doing so amazingly. She's one of those YouTubers who she works non-stop and she's been collaborating with Revolution for quite a while now, and this is her second palette and it's called the Tammy times Revolution Tropical Carnival Shadow Palette, and this is full of nothing but bold shades. Let me show you guys what it looks like on the inside, but I'm super excited to try this palette. I think this is one of my favorite palettes that I've purchased and I'm super excited to try it because, you know, Tammy always comes up with some amazing palettes. She's so humble, she's so hardworking, she's beautiful, she's smart. I love her. Congrats, Tammy. You have done another amazing job and I hope that in the future you'll have more palettes coming out with Revolution. So basically I'm just pulling it out of the wrapper. Ooh, I absolutely love the splash of color. So it comes it comes in this black packaging and then you sorry guys, and then you have these splash of colors and it says there Tammy times Revolution. Let me pull it out. I'm choking there. I'm so excited. I'm bursting with excitement. So basically when you take the palette out, it's a plastic packaging. As you can see, sorry if the light is hitting you too hard. And then when you open it, it's so pretty, you guys. When you open it, of course, you've got a big mirror as well. I don't want to blind you guys. And then you've got these absolutely beautiful bold shades. It's got a plastic, which I'm trying to get off. It's got these, boom, look at that, in your face. Look at these shades. I'm so tempted, I just have to. Wow. Straight off the bat, you guys, they are smooth and really pigmented. So I am so excited. I've never been more excited to try a palette, and this one, as I said, is from Tammy times Revolution. I love her. She does amazing look, you guys. Please go check her out and support her and tell her that Shaun sent you. But I am so excited to try this palette, and as I said, it's another collab with Tammy for Revolution, and this palette has 18 shades and I will be swatching and reviewing it in an upcoming video. So I'm super excited about this palette. I cannot wait to play with this little baby, so stay tuned, you guys, because you know that I'm going to be bringing some love. Okay, lovely, so let's continue with these palettes. Okay, so I picked this one up on Beauty Bay as well, and it's the Violet Voss Le Macaron palette, and this was on special, so you know I had to get it. It had some beautifully, they're almost like, can you see that? They're almost like foiled shades. That's the back. That's all the shades and the colors that come in this palette, and I thought this was really cute, so I had to pick it up because it was like half price. And if you're like me, when you see makeup on special, you grab it, because once it comes off of that special, it goes back at the regular price, which is usually very expensive. So when I see a palette or anything on sale, I usually grab it and put it in my stash. Some of these boxes are so hard to get into. Good job I don't have any nails on, which I am planning to do very soon. It's time to get my nails did. I can't get into the box, guys. I'm just gonna have to tear it. Urgh, so annoying. So I finally got into this palette. It was so hard to get into, and as I said, it's the Violet Voss Le Macaron palette, and it's called Fun Size because it's quite small compared to their other palettes. And when you open it, it has a little mirror, of course, which is always handy, just in case you take the palette out with you and you want to touch up your eye looks. This mirror, a mirror is always handy in a palette. Now when you open it, it looks some little something like that. Very pretty shades, and they look like they're foiled. You've got blue, you've got pinks, you've got purples, you've got greens. It's a really nice palette, and of course I'm going to go ahead and do a little Oh la la. You know, I'm always tempted. So basically, I've swatched 2 for you guys, and they are quite pigmented straight off the bat. So this is quite nice for traveling actually. So that's the Valet Voss Le Macaron fun sized palette. I also picked up 2 of these Sample Beauty palettes, and I got these half price. I think both of them combined would be about 80 something pounds, and I paid like 40 something pounds. And this one is the Paradigm Shift palette. I'm going to quickly show you what inside looks like, because I'm going to be swatching it in a separate video. So that's what the inside looks like, and of course it has a big mirror. So a swatch and a review of this will be coming up. And then secondly, I picked up their Cult palette, and it's a small palette. They're travel friendly because they're cardboard packaging, and this is what the inside looks like, and it also has a mirror. So I'll be doing a separate video with these palettes as well. Okay guys, so I also picked up this blush trio from Carity as well. I don't really use blushes, but I thought it was really nice. It has a highlighter there and a pink and a red shade, so it's perfect for women of color as well as if you're lighter skin tone. So I picked up this blush set, this blush trio, and I can't wait to use it. I'll swatch it for you guys in a separate video, but yeah, I can't wait to use that. And I also picked up a brush set from, where is this from? BH Cosmetics. It's a 10-piece brush set. They're very, very soft. I'm going to wash them before I use them, you guys, because I don't like to use brushes without washing them. So I'm going to wash these out, and then I'm going to test them and tell you how well they work, if they work well or not, and if they're worth getting. So yeah, this is from BH Cosmetics, and it's a 10-piece brush set. My battery's so disrespectful. I can't believe it's dying. I'm sorry guys, but yeah, I'm gonna try this out and let you guys know if it works very well. And I also picked up a few lipsticks. I picked up one from Carity, which I will swatch for you guys, and then I picked up 3 from LA Splash. I love their formula. It's a bit drying sometimes, but make sure that you exfoliate your lips. They are really long lasting, and they are really, really pigmented. So I'll be swatching these 3 lipsticks for you guys, because my battery is gonna die any minute. So yes, I also picked up some eggs from Revolution. I will swatch them for you guys. They're eyeshadows, but I thought they were really, really cute. They were about £5, something like that. So I had to get them, and I will swatch them for you guys so you can see how they look. Okay guys, so that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so sorry I had to rush through the last bit of it. Let me know in the comment section down below which was your favorite palette that I've shown you today, and if you have any in your collection, do let me know as well. Thank you so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, turn the notifications on, and all that good stuff. Follow me on all social media links down below. And yeah, that is it for today guys. I do hope you enjoyed. Do let me know in the comment section, of course. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Mwah.